Flogen project aimed to bring a wind turbine offshore using floating platforms, because we believe that with concrete we can reach cost efficiency better than with other materials. And Flogen is the first demonstrator with a 2 megawatt wind turbine to check all the theoretical calculation we made, and to have a quick feedback of our hypothesis to improve the next design we will make for our customers. Yes, the project is existing since 2013 by Paul de la Guérivière, meeting a couple of engineers of his colleagues. Paul looked for this kind of technology regarding the cost efficiency of the power. So we believe that offshore wind is cheaper because more regular. It's easier with floating offshore to install, to get back for dismantling, and it's soft for the surroundings. So all this advantage, we have to reach the demonstration that we are true on that. We are right.